By the way, if you're watching this for instructional purposes on how to lift a Tundra, don't keep watching this.
Remove air dam, remove bolts from skid plate, unplug rack and pinion.
Huh? Let me watch this video.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here.
This thing's definitely leaning a little bit.
Mud grapplers, mud grapplers.
But we got the front lift done, and yeah, that's about it. Not doing the rear.
Mud grapplers.
Mud grapplers. Just want fuck the thought, but she want relations with that.
All right, everybody. It is finally the day. Look at what I got here, ladies and gentlemen. Finally, about time. I got a freaking lift kit for my truck. So I went with a little 3.5 inch rough country. I know rough country is probably not the greatest from, you know what I mean? All the Tundra guys I've read in the Facebook groups and the forums and stuff, they say it looks fine and it works fine. So I got that. I just did the spacer one because I'm not doing no off-roading. If I do decide to do that, and I'll just get some struts later on or something like that. But I got a 3.5 inch here, and then this box right here. Let me not dox myself. This box right here, some of y'all are gonna hate me, some of y'all are gonna love me, but I got shorter rear strut spacers or rear spring spacers for the rear. So the rear, you know, this thing will be leaning a little bit. It'll be leaning. The rough country ones, I emailed the guy and they said it was like 2-ish. These are 1.5. Then I got me some good old wheel spacers, of course. Come on now, don't play with them. Little 1.5 inch wheel spacers here from Burger Motorsports. But yeah, there we go. I'm actually excited. Finally don't get to feel like an NPC. It's the first thing I'm doing for my truck as well. Well, I wouldn't say the first thing. I guess I did tint, and I also got paint match flares and paint match little front lower valence thing. I couldn't stand the dark gray that they painted. I don't know why. This looks so much cleaner. Also got tires coming. They're coming today. Some of you guys can probably guess. You'll see what it is.
Mud grapplers.
All right, Chad, I've got the truck up in the good old air. First thing I did, I had to take the PCM out and the air box. So I'm able to get to this little control arm bolt here because it's too long and it hits the PCM. Yeah, here we go. I'm gonna start with the driver's side. Hopefully this isn't too bad. By the way, if you're watching this for instructional purposes on how to lift a Tundra, don't keep watching this. I don't know what I'm doing. All right, got tool on my head now. We on the GoPro throwback. Driver's side wheel off here. Okay, so I need to replace the upper control arm, take the strut out, put a spacer. The people in the instructions take out the entire knuckle. I think I don't have to do that. All I need to do is take out these control arm bolts here, loosen these, and then the control arm will drop. And then I can take this out, take that out, take the bolts out, and then, oh, I have to remove air dam.
Remove air dam.
This thing comes with instructions, look at that.
Remove air dam, remove bolts from skid plate, unplug rack and pinion, remove sway bar from frame.
Oh.
Remove air dam.
Remove air dam.
Remove sway bar from frame. Now, I need to unbolt the
air dam.
Hold on. Let me watch this video. Huh?
Put those in.
I don't need them. Huh? Should just be able to push this down. Okay, and then take these out, which those are. Wait a minute, is this thing still recording?
Oh!
Okay, good. So one of these is the front. Remove the driver's side upper control arm bow. Oh no, just do that. Install the supplied 10mm. Is that FedEx?
Mud grapplers.
One eternity later.
All right, so that's all we're doing for today. All we did was this side here because that took a lot longer than I thought you guys could see, but I stopped recording because we kept fiddling with this. We couldn't get this aligned right. Finally got that aligned right, got everything back in, and now it's about to start getting dark, but you could definitely tell it's a little taller. This thing's definitely lopsided too. But yeah, tomorrow we're going to continue with the other side. Also, look at what we got. Except I only got 2 of them because FedEx is weird, but I think the other 2 are coming tomorrow. But yeah, I'll see you guys day 2. Ladies and gentlemen, day 2. I actually did not film anything, but we got the front lift done. And yeah, that's about it. Not doing the rear. Kidding, of course I'm gonna do the rear. But got everything in, upper control arm, little spacer here, all the little brackets. You can see skid plates and whatnot. That is all in. The truck is definitely squatted. Also got 4 of these things now, finally. Don't know what was wrong with FedEx. They shipped them differently or something like that, but we got that freaking GRAPPSSS load going on back here. Definitely need an alignment as well. My wheel is straight right now, by the way. Yeah, it's pretty cooked, but definitely need an alignment. But we did this side, did not take near as long. So I'm gonna start on the rear. The rear shouldn't be too bad. Like I said, I do have different plates. These are a little bit more quality than the other ones, than these. And also these are a bit shorter than the rough country ones. I'm not gonna lie, kind of wanted it leaning a little bit, so this thing's gonna be leaning. If I don't like it, then I'll just throw these in, but we'll see what we got going on. All right, ladies and gentlemen, lift is officially done. I didn't film the rear because, I don't know, I didn't want to. Let me see, rear pucks are in. We got the little, let me see if I can show you everything. We got the strut extension drawn. We got the, oh, what else did I do? Track bar, oh, whoops. Track bar relocation thing on the other side. For anybody wondering, I did 1.5 inch corn-fed rear pucks in the back instead of the rough country ones because I need this thing to be leaning a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Not squatted, leaning. There's a difference. What else? Track bar relocation. Oh, yep, right there. You can see that. And yeah. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna need a new lens anyways. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Next clip will hopefully be me getting these mud graps on for once. I need to get these things on ASAP. Definitely need an alignment too. I was driving this thing around the block. Just spun the block real quick to see how it, if anything would fall apart. And it definitely drove a little bit wobbly, I'll tell you that much. I'll throw a picture up on the screen of it. Actually, I can just put a video clip anyways when I go to drive it. But next clip, I'll be getting these things on and this thing will be getting looking right. And also driving right too, it doesn't drive straight. All right, everybody, here we go in the daylight. This is how she's sitting right now. This thing's definitely leaning a little bit, but it doesn't help have some 4 freaking mud graps in the back. Thing's definitely leaning, but I'm thinking once I get the tires out of there, the rear end will actually sit exactly where I want it. Dude, this thing is freaking, it was only a 3.5 inch lift, but I guess that actually did a pretty good bit. I mean, this thing looks freaking huge. But right now I'm going to get my tires put on. Here we go in the daylight, rough country, strut spacer lift, little control arms, a bunch of other goodies back here. Whatever else, freaking, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, definitely gonna need an alignment and I don't know. Anyways, well, let's go get these freaking mud gloppers on right now. Ladies and gentlemen, we all good to go. I got the freaking mud graps on right now. Stock tires in the back, gonna sell those on Marketplace. Ladies and gentlemen, oh my God, I haven't even gotten out and gotten a really good look at this thing. I haven't yet, and oh my gosh, I gotta tell you, these freaking, I didn't realize how much these things would sing. I'm going 45 right now, listen. They're singing, dude, I'll tell you that right now, they're singing. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if I'm gonna, I mean, I roll up the windows and honestly, you can't hear it at all. It's actually, I mean, well, you can hear it, but it's not that bad. But, you know, I just turned the music up and I can't hear it. But I gotta, hold on, I'm coming up to a stop, roll the windows down, I'll show you guys. Dude, this thing looks good, dude. Ladies and gentlemen, oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna go, I need to get to a spot where I can pull over and, I need to get to a spot where I can pull over and show you guys this, because I haven't even seen this thing yet. Like, I mean, I've seen it, but like, it was just in a shop, like, up close, you know what I'm saying? So, there's a lot of traffic right now. It's 4 p.m. Freaking school and work and stuff. I'll catch you guys in a sec. Ladies and gentlemen, we all ready to see this absolute masterpiece right here. Check it out. So I think I might be actually stupid. I actually might be stupid. I was sitting here yapping away at the freaking camera and I realized I wasn't recording. Give me 1 second. God, I'm actually so stupid. I was sitting here yapping away at the camera for at least 2-3 minutes and I wasn't recording. Was not recording. Like I said, ladies and gentlemen, here is the freaking truck, dude. All done, 3.5 inch rough country and some mud grapplers right here, dude. Oh, I wish I had that freaking clip. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down below in the freaking comments. I gotta say, I absolutely love the look of this thing. I'll tell you that right now. This thing actually looks proper. And I gotta say, I am very glad I went with the shorter corn-fed rear spacer. This thing definitely sits. It's definitely leaning, but it's not like bad. It is not bad. I think this is a lot better than what it would be with the 2-inch rear spacer. So yeah, definitely glad I went with that. I also have tires in the back too, so it's gonna sit up even higher. Speaking of tires, marketplace people are gonna love these. I'll tell you how much of that right now. Wait. Brand new tires, Yokohama somethings, 2,000 miles, dude, brand new. I gotta say, bro, this thing looks insane. Definitely, hope you guys can hear me with the wind. I'm gonna block it with my hand here. I don't really know if this is doing anything. I really hope you guys can hear me, but God, this thing looks, this thing looks so good. I can't believe this is my truck, bro. 3.5-inch rough country with some freaking mud. You guys get what I'm trying. I actually didn't think these would be, I thought these would be worse, honestly. They definitely sing, I'll tell you that much. I was on the highway doing 60, 70 miles an hour, but I rolled the windows up, bro. Couldn't even hear them. I had the sunroof open, I still couldn't, it was just perfectly fine. Probably helps that this thing is brand new and has a lot of sound deadening and insulation and stuff like that, so. Oh my God, dude. I'm so hyped with this truck. I'll tell you guys that right now. I'm so hyped with this thing. Actually looks like a truck, and I definitely don't feel like an NPC driving around. Let me know what you guys think of the good old Tundra down below in the comments. I think the only thing left I want to do is some subs, but I'm not too worried about subs. Sound system's pretty good. It actually bumps pretty good, but you know, I need a little bit more than that. Hold on a minute, I'm not ending the video yet. I have sequential mirror turn signals that I bought. I completely forgot I bought those. I'm gonna put those in this video. All right, ladies and gentlemen, part 2 to good old Tundra video. I'm about to wash it, but before I do that, I got some sequential turn signal things here. Hold on, let me take them out the box. So I got some new sequential mirror turn signals because these are not sequential. Let's look at this. Front sequential. I think the rear is too, and these just are not. Pick those up. I'm about to change them. I honestly don't know how to do this. Apparently I just freaking popped that little chrome cover off. Oh God, dude, this thing looks so good. This thing is sitting right. Anyway, I just popped the little chrome cover off and then popped the mirror off and then unscrew a couple bolts and bada bing bam and it's done. You know, I'm kind of scared though. I don't want to break the mirror, but if I do, whatever. All right, let's see if I break this or not. Oops.
Break anything?
One of them.
Oh jeez, thought you said you knew how to take them off.
I did.
Your camera's gonna fall.
Okay, look at that, mirror's off. Now I just gotta take this housing off and then I get to these. Or, wait a minute. No, I gotta take this off, never mind. Pull up a YouTube video. There we go. Okay. All right. Now this comes out. And okay, unplug it. Oh yeah, look at that. Unplug. Boom. I'm gonna get the new one. Sure, I'm filming in 4K, so you guys are gonna enjoy this video in 4K. Here's the old one. You know, just normal. Pretty sure it's the same. The lens is a little different. This one's more clear, but sequential John. All right, I'm gonna throw this thing in. Take the plugged in. Let's see if it works. Moment of truth here. Oh, that is pretty good. I like that. Now I did wish that I could find some that had like a white DRL running light, but these are the only ones I could find. But I'm gonna just thug it out. All right, here's the before. Can't even see the freaking one over here because it's in the sun, but before, can't even see it. The after drop, look at that. Full sequential front and back and sides. Now the only thing is the Toyota stock turn signals, they go full and then sequential out, full sequential out. This is just sequential out. See what I mean? It's kind of little annoying little nitpicky thing, but not too bad. All right, camera also overheated, that's why I just stopped. I'm gonna do the passenger side now. All right, everybody just washed this freaking thing up and it is looking real good. Peep the paint, hold on. Look at that, look at that. Look at the flake. Mud grabs are freaking shining right now. Someone got the turn signals on. It's actually the next day. I ended up washing this thing. I'm in the grass right now, but ended up washing this John. This thing is clean, but look at that. These are freaking bright. Look at this. We were outside, it's a little dark. I just got done with the photo shoot actually, but sunset's looking good. I had to pull over and just want to show you guys. This can't even freaking see what I'm doing, bro. Are we serious? But anyways, here's the freaking truck, bro. This thing is actually sitting right. I think I did everything I need to do to this thing now, other than maybe rock lights and definitely subs at some point, but oh, I shouldn't have gone in here. My truck's all clean now, bro. All right, whatever, but that's the end of the video. Appreciate you guys watching. Let's get the next one.